Hey there, pizza lovers. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate pizza dough from scratch. It's super easy, and trust me, once you try it, you'll never reach for that store-bought stuff again. So grab your apron unless you want to get flour everywhere. Let's get baking. Alright, here's what you'll need. 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 to 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, 1 to 2 cups of warm water, and a drizzle of olive oil for good luck. Now let's get down to business. First things first, we're going to mix our dry ingredients. So, get your bowl and pour in your flour. It might explode a little when you open the bag. Then add the sugar, salt, and yeast. Make sure your yeast is fresh. I'm talking last week fresh because we want our dough to rise perfectly. Give it a quick whisk to combine everything. Nothing fancy, just a couple of seconds to mix those dry ingredients up. Now it's time to add the warm water. Not too hot. We don't want to bake the yeast before it gets a chance to do its magic. You want it to feel like a cozy bath for the yeast, not a sauna. Drizzle in that olive oil, remember, just a drizzle. We're not going for a swimming pool here. Grab a spatula and give it a good mix until it all comes together. It'll be kind of sticky and messy, and that's totally okay. It means we're on the right track. Once it's combined, I like to switch to using my hands to knead it. And let me tell you, this is where the magic happens. So flour up those hands and dive in. You're gonna want to knead that dough for about 10 minutes. This is where the workout happens. It's like a mini gym session. Who needs a 12-step program when you have pizza dough? The goal here is to get the dough nice and smooth. If it's too sticky, add a sprinkle of flour. If it's too dry, a splash of water will do the trick. Just listen to your dough. It's like a relationship, you gotta find that balance. Once your dough is all smooth and lovely, we're gonna place it in an oiled bowl and cover it with a cloth. Now here's the important part, let it rise. Find a warm spot in your kitchen and let the dough do its thing for about an hour or until it has doubled in size. This is where the yeast works its magic, transforming your ingredients into the perfect pizza dough. After an hour, your dough should be fluffy and full of air pockets. Punch it down to release the gas and then divide it into portions. This recipe makes about 2 large pizzas, so share the love or save some dough for later. Shape each portion into a ball, cover them again, and let them rest for another 10-15 minutes. This makes the dough easier to roll out. Finally, roll out your dough on a floured surface to your desired thickness. Whether you like it thin and crispy or thick and chewy, this dough can do it all. Add your favorite toppings and bake in a hot oven until golden and bubbly. And there you have it, the ultimate homemade pizza dough. Enjoy your pizza adventure.